The Tupolev Tu-123 Yastreb was one of the earliest Soviet reconnaissance drones that began development in 1960. Sometimes referred to as the DBR-1, it was introduced into active service in 1964. The Tu-123 was a long-range, high-altitude supersonic strategic unmanned reconnaissance aircraft in a form reminiscent of a big dart, conceptually somewhat similar to the United States D-21. It carried both film cameras and SIGINT payloads. The Tu-123 was ground-launched with JATO boosting and powered by a KR-15 afterburning turbojet in flight. The KR-15 was a lower-cost, short-life, expendable version of the R-15 engine used on the twin-engine, Mach 3 class Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-25 Foxbat interceptor. The Tu-123 itself was expendable, parachuting its payload to the ground for recovery. The Tu-123 was a development of the proposed Tupolev Tu-121 supersonic nuclear-armed cruise missile program. After the cancellation of that project in favor of ballistic missiles, the design was modified for a high-altitude reconnaissance role. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.